Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled AI versus Machine Learning versus Deep Learning, Demystifying the Terminology. Imagine a super smart computer program that can solve problems and make decisions like a human. That's AI. It's the broad concept of making machines intelligent. Think self-driving cars, spam filters, or even recommending movies on Netflix. They all use AI in some way. AI is the overarching field. Think of it like a giant umbrella. Underneath that umbrella are many different techniques and approaches to building intelligent systems. Machine learning and deep learning are two of the most popular. Instead of explicitly programming every rule, we teach the computer to learn from data. For example, if we want to build a spam filter, we'd feed it tons of emails marked as spam and not spam. It learns patterns in those emails and uses them to classify new ones. It's like teaching a dog tricks. You show it what to do, and it learns through repetition. As a developer, you'd use ML libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow to build models. You'd prepare the data, choose an appropriate algorithm, like decision trees, or support vector machines, train the model, and then test its accuracy. It's about using pre-built tools and algorithms. Deep learning is a asterisk type of machine learning inspired by the human brain's neural networks. Imagine layers of interconnected nodes processing information. This allows it to learn incredibly complex patterns from massive datasets. Think image recognition or natural language processing. Deep learning models are more complex to build and require more data and computing power than standard machine learning models, but they can achieve amazing things that traditional methods struggle with. Think of it as training a super intelligent dog. It requires more effort, but the rewards are greater. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence. It's like nested Russian dolls. AI is the biggest doll, containing ML, which in turn contains DL. Understanding their relationship is key to mastering AI. Now that we've established the basics, let's dive deeper into machine learning and deep learning in the following lessons. We'll explore practical examples and learn how to build your first AI models. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.